你好
Hi everyone.
Selamat petang
Hello, Shubhrabhat.
Do you know that elephant pants are very famous in Thailand, so we wear that to represent them.
Yeah, and not just only Thailand, in Laos we also wear elephant tan as well. So if you're from Thailand or from Laos, just wear it.
I'm from Sri Lanka. Today for the regional week, I'm wearing a sarong and a shirt. This is the national costume of Sri Lanka.
What I'm wearing today is called the qipao, which is a clothing that existed during the Qing dynasty and post-Qing dynasty.
I'm from Bangladesh and this is my national costume. This is called Punjabi and this is called pajama. Thank you.
Today is Asian Day, and this is a Roti Sai Mai, Thai dessert, which is a pancake with cotton candy in it.
สวัสดีครับวันนี้เป็นเอเชียนเดย์แล้วอันนี้คือโรตีสายไหมเป็นขนมไทยและมีเป็นแบบแป้งแพนเค้กแล้วมีรสสายไหมอยู่ด้านใน
Enjoy!
กินให้อร่อยนะครับ